What's going on, guys? This is Kedar here, and UTOT markets is going on crazy. There are tons and tons of chaos. We have seen some report where some people are got banned and some people stayed as it is, their coins as it is. They have got all their players. Team is not reset to zero. So what's really going on? The cards, players, or the money that you got during that glitch or bug? What will be going to happen to that? We have got some many important updates regarding the UTOT, the FIFA 23 market. What will be going to happen after the chaos, that glitch many people discovered through which people are gaining millions and millions of coins and high ranking players for very low cost. We are receiving some latest update what will be going to happen on the FIFA 23 market. So let's get right into all the details. Now speaking about the coins, guys, those are hard to restore back to normal because basically how FIFA mobile will know that these are the legit coins or not. It's very hard to say that which are the legit coins and which are not legit ones. So those will probably stay as it is. They might remove all the UTOT players because UTOTs did cause the unbalance of the game. So this is the possibility as of right now we can see. We are seeing some changes onto the transfer market. We are seeing players not found. So they are trying to make changes. Also, we have seen some reports many accounts have been banned in North America. They will ban you for 243 hours. So it's not a permanent ban, but you'll have to wait until 243 hours. Alright guys, so there are many people asking about is there any update onto market? FIFA Mobile did acknowledge this issue. They are closing the market so that more chaos will not happen. And you may see your team value to zero. So don't worry about that because they are trying to fix this issue. And talking about the cards, players, or the money that you got during that glitch or bug, what will be going to happen to that? And here is the thing, guys. What they will do is UTOT cards will be removed because this is the update that caused the entire game to ruin. Those who managed to take out the coins during the glitch, their coins may remain as it is because you know what? How can FIFA know that these are the coins acquired by glitch or real gameplay? There is no way, there is no mechanism for them to realize which is the legit one and which is not legit. So those who manage to take the coins will probably stay as it is. Third one, prices in the market will be much higher for a while. Market will be closed for undisclosed amount of time. They'll probably remove the UTOT players because it caused large amount of chaos. And right after that, there is no tweet from FIFA Mobile. Once I get any latest details, I'll keep you posted. So make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe. And this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.